Assalamualaikum friends. Now it's time for the workshop of all the lessons and poems. So we will start from the 1.1 poem, A Teenager's Prayer, and its workshop. We have already seen the explanation in the previous months. Today we will discuss or revise the English workshop of this poem. In this poem, the first English workshop activity is choose the alternative and complete the given sentences. We have to choose the correct alternative and we have to fill the blanks. According to the poet, dash are brought by each new day. According to the poet, new beginnings. We have seen in the poem, we have to write while we are reading the poem, and the correct answer will be new beginnings. B question, we must decide to take the road which leads to dash great success. We must decide to take the road which leads to great success is the right answer. C question, the poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is right. Right is the correct answer. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been dash years of his life. Best, the correct answer will be best. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been best years of his life. Number 2 activity in the English workshop of Teenager's Prayer is find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Now we have to write all the rhyming words. Rhyming scheme we have seen already, but the rhyming words, for example, make, take, beginnings, make and take, then success, distress, see, me, way, day, see, me. So these are the rhyming pairs of this poem. So number 2 activity also we have finished it. Number 3 activity, it has given what is the rhyme scheme of the poem. Now we have to write the rhyme scheme of the poem from the correct, we have to choose the correct alternative from all these 4 answers. So what will be the rhyme scheme? Rhyme scheme will become, we can give beginnings A, make B, choose C and take B. A, B, C, B is the correct rhyme scheme for this sentence, for this poem. So the correct answer will be number 3, A, B, C, B. In this way we have seen the third activity, rhyme scheme. Number 4 one is, there are figure of speeches. We have to match them correctly with the correct figure of speech according to the line. For example, decisions I must make. In this line, the poet has presented the words not in a order but in a disorder. That's why this figure of speech inversion is the right answer for the decisions I make, the first one. The right answer will be inversion. Number 2, please open up my eyes, dear Lord. There is a poet talking with a accent thing, that's why this is apostrophe. Number A will be the correct answer. एक के साथ आएगा B और 2 के साथ आएगा A. Travel down the darkened road. There will be 2 words which will sound D in 2 time or started with the same alphabet. That's why this is alliteration. Number D, third के साथ आएगा D. I can choose to take the road of life. यहाँ पर road of life को जो है, life को road से यहाँ पर कंपेयर किया गया, इसके लिए डायरेक्टली मेटाफर आएगा. क्या आएगा? मेटाफर. नंबर 4 के साथ आएगा C. तो 1 के साथ आएगा B, 2 के साथ आएगा A, 3 के साथ आएगा 4 और 4 के साथ आएगा C.